Today we will see how to create registration page in Joomla 4. In order to personalize your registration page, there are a few simple steps you need to follow. Firstly, you will need to create a new menu from the menu manager and set the menu title to your liking. Once this is done, navigate to the User tab and select Registration Form from the Menu Item Type options. You will now have access to more customization options, such as link type, page display, metadata, and so on. You can customize these options according to your preferences and then save the menu. To activate the Allow User Registration feature, go to the Users section in the Joomla control panel and select the user from the new user registration group. You can then choose the role you want the new user to have, such as guest, manager, administrator, outsider, editor, or publisher. For the purpose of this example, let's select guest user. Once you have completed all of these steps, the registration page will be available for users to fill out when they visit your site. Once they have completed the registration form, they will be registered as a guest. That is how you can easily customize your registration page for your Joomla 4 website.